Hello, it's Tuesday, October the 11th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. The US dollar fell versus most of the major counterparts as global stocks advanced, sapping demand for the greenback as a haven and causing investors to prefer higher-yielding assets. Wall Street closed positive as the Nasdaq advanced by 3.50% and the Dow rose by 2.97% on optimism Europe will tackle its debt crisis and after American economic data improved. Crude oil closed at $85.40 a barrel. Gold jumped by 2.38% to close at $1,675 an ounce. No economic data is expected today. The euro strengthened the most in more than a year versus the US dollar after French and German leaders pledged to deliver a plan to support banks and repeated a commitment to keep Greece in the single currency bloc. After the announcement, optimism came back into the market, so the euro stayed higher even as a report showed European investor confidence fell to the lowest in more than 2 years. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 133.77 and a high of 136.97. Today, ECB President Trichet is expected to speak. The British pound gained versus the US dollar after German Chancellor Angela Merkel and President Nicolas Sarkozy announced that they will deliver a plan to recapitalize the region's banks and address the Greek crisis. The trend for the pair remains bearish if it maintains its resistance level of 157.30. But if the pair breaks that resistance, it may reach 159.50. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 154.22 and a high of 156.45. Today, manufacturing production is expected to decline by minus 0.10% versus 0.10% previously. The yen strengthened versus the US dollar and most majors due to positive economic data. Technically, the dollar-yen is trading within a narrow range with no clear long-term trend. If the pair breaks below the 76 level, the trend will continue downward. Tomorrow, core machinery orders are expected to grow by 4.5% versus minus 8.2% previously. Finally, the Canadian dollar is strengthened against its US counterpart as stocks and commodities such as crude oil advanced on speculation debt concerning Europe may ease, making high-yielding currencies more attractive. The trend for the pair is bearish if it maintains its resistance level of 103.30. Today, housing starts are expected to grow by 187,000 versus 185,000 previously. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank for simple, safe, secure trading.